like you need a lunch.
Guten Abend, mein subscribers. Today we are going to learn how to get back on /poll on 4chan. So first thing you want to do is open up Google Chrome. 999. Wiener Schnitzel. So as you can see, if you look up /poll, nothing comes up. The site can't be reached. So Wiener Schnitzel. So what you want to do is you want to go to 4chan. So basically, once you get on 4chan, you're going to take the logo and you're going to Control C, and basically then you're going to want to click to feedback. And once you click on feedback, you're going to type into message /poll Wiener Schnitzel mein Kampfwagen. And basically once you do that and you put in subject /poll, you're going to basically want to submit. And basically you're going to get a pop-up on your screen that's going to look a little bit like this.
Hey, get a load of this crowd. I'll be back. I gotta go take my annual beating.
2 hours later.
Mountain Dew. This is Mountain Dew. Malcolm X's legacy.
Well, I'm tired of that, man. Fucking man. The fuck? Man! Get up, bro! Get up, man! Dumbass, man. Man, get the fuck up, bro. Stupid ass motherfucker.
Man, it's fucking bullshit. I'm telling you, it is fucking bullshit. Yo, get up.
What do you want?
The Geneva Convention didn't do shit.
Yeah, I know. What about it?
We should start using fucking mustard gas.
I got some. Give me a sec. That should fix it.
Yo, anybody see Skeleton Doomer, bro? Anybody see that guy? I don't know where he went, bro.
That's a good one.
Evening, gentlemen. We're in this field, and
There are many strange creatures in this field, as you can see. Many strange creatures. You want me to show you? You want me to show you? I'll do me coal. I'll do me marsh coal. You get ready. It's a marsh. Run! Run! Oh shit!
Name is Ass Lick, and this is my partner Skullfuck, aka my cameraman, and we're here to investigate kind of an awkward situation. We're basically here writing for the Seagull Times for a story. We're in the middle of the countryside of West Virginia, and apparently there is rumors to be a government-held entity here that is actually more powerful than 1,000 nukes, and it's able to rupture an entire country with one hand. So we're basically here to investigate it. Just me and him. No military help, no assistance. Just a couple of journalists. So it should be good. Can't wait till we get on the property. This is the place. We're going to be meeting a guy known as the Keeper. He's the one who investigates all this shit. He's the one who's been keeping it for the government for all this time. So, how you doing, man?
Welcome to hell, boys.
We've been investigating things around the area of West Virginia for a while. We haven't seen a case this fucking complicated. You really going to explain to me what has been going around on this property?
The government keeps something here. There's a lab somewhere. It escaped. I found it and I trapped him. He's been here for years, but he just escaped. He just went to the town. You can't trust him. He looks like everyone.
And you mentioned there was more than just one guy.
Oh, there's multiple. It's like it can clone itself.
Fucking hell.
And it hunts as a pack.
You said you kept it in a house over there around yonder?
I could show you the property if you want.
No, but there's one of them locked hunting the stadium. Is the place?
Yep. This is Ground Zero.
Well, at least we've made it. I'll check the upstairs area. You check the basement when we get to it.
Roger that.
This place looks like it's been abandoned for years.
Yeah. It doesn't hold up with the story either. Think it's still good?
Fuck. Who knows?
This place is a fucking dump, man. Don't go in there. It's gonna fucking make you fall through the floor. Hey, man, you find anything?
Who are you?
What the fuck?
Why have you come to this land? You have infiltrated my land.
Alright, man.
For the last time.
Listen, we're here for the same reason. We're trying to find it. Whatever it is, alright?
You are my tear.
I don't know what the hell you're talking about, man. Come on, man. Can't you help me with this, man? What the fuck? Help me with I'm done. I'm just a journalist. I'm not meant to face combat. I'm out. Fuck it. Fuck this place. Fuck the case. Man.